Hello! You got scared? No, hello. I hope everyone is having a wonderful evening. Here I am. Who am I? I'm just life. Life exuberance with pleasantness. Pleasantness in combination with inclusiveness. Everybody is looking for some sort of a solution from the outside. They want to beat up everything through a microscope is not going to work. Everything through a lens is not going to work. Everything through a political spectrum is not going to work. Everything through a textbook is not going to work. Everything through the scriptures ain't going to work unless you are in sync with the natural elements, the natural frequency, the existence. Thanks for the existence giving me another day full of life, full of energy, full of breath, full of to keep my day going through. It is all these nonsense we have taken upon us has become the real cause of the real panic, the real unsettling psychological dramas, unsettling mental dramas, unsettling lifestyle dramas have all come about only because we've been fixing the outside whilst the inside is in a turmoil. It is the inside you need to fix before the exterior. Everything, for every disease there's a pill. But let me tell you, following every pill, there's an ill. That is a fact. So with that said, it is time that you have made your life in such a way that your life is your business. It is not the business of your government. It is not the business of somebody above, somewhere there. It is not in the hands of your spouse, your child, your carer. It is entirely your making. It is time that you are sincere enough and just get out there and do what is needed in the sense. Be conscious, be responsible, conscientious, responsible, reasonable sponsorship of your life. In turn, you should generate a rippling energy and life for everybody else in an inclusive society that we find ourselves to be in. You're no superhuman, but it is wonderful that you're human, and that is super enough, don't you think so? I sound like a preacher. A preacher man. Now, I don't know the lyrics of that song, but whatever it may be, whatever happens today, tomorrow will be a beautiful day only if you act upon in a responsible manner and start initiating something that will work not just for you, but whatever you do, that it also has a beautiful, pleasant experience for everybody around you too. With that, I wish you a wonderful evening, folks.